Hi everyone. So now I'm going to be making a liquid soap whereby you use normal cold tap water, and I'm using the liquid soap kit from Fun with Soap. It looks like this. It's 2 ingredients. I'm going to be making a pearl shimmer. Look how beautiful that purple is. I've dispersed that pearl shimmer in isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to be using a pearlizing agent, which is going to give it an opaque look. It looks like this. And to thicken the product, I'm going to be using normal fine table salt. So in my bucket, I've got 2.7 liters of water, and I'm now going to add my sodium lauryl ether sulfate to that. This kit makes 5 liters. And then I'm going to add 250 ml of cocoa diethanolamine, which looks like this. And then I'm just going to give it a brief stir. And then I'm going to add my salt, which is going to start thickening the product. You just add the salt slowly and while stirring. You just need to stir it until you feel that it's starting to get heavier as the salt starts dissolving in the product. And I added 7 level tablespoons of fine table salt to this, because I wanted to make a nice thick gel type. If you want it to be a thinner consistency to make a bubble bath, then you will use less salt. I would say about 3 tablespoons. It's very thick now. So now I'm going to add my pearlizing agent. takes some muscle to stir this in because I've made the liquid soap so thick. And now for the nice part, I'm going to add my shimmer. And you just keep on stirring this until everything is well incorporated. And what I'm adding now is cinnamon bark, essential oil. It smells really fabulous and it's got some great healing properties to it. And my light's just gone off. Oh, it's load shedding. Welcome to bright, sunny South Africa. This looks absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to decant it into a clear bottle so that you can see what it looks like in the bottle. So I've decanted my liquid soap and this is what it looks like. It came out absolutely beautiful and it smells magnificent with the cinnamon bark. So enjoy, have fun, and we'll see you again later.